Hey, listen, Matt.
Damage to the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cecil County in Northeast Maryland. This includes the city of Elton until 5:45 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 15 miles northwest of Rock Springs to 12 miles west of Conowing Road to 25 miles southwest of Victoria, or along a line extending from 13 miles south of Lancaster to 27 miles south of Lancaster to 14 miles north of Baltimore, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Rock Springs and Conowing around 5:15 p.m., Richardsmere and Victoria around 5:20 p.m., West Nottingham and Rising Sunshine around 5:30 p.m., Farmington, Calvert and Woodlawn around 5:35 p.m., Zion around 5:40 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Cecil County, Maryland. The official